Did you know a fish older than dinosaurs is still swimming in our oceans today? In 1938, a museum worker named Marjorie found a weird blue fish in a pile of caught fish in South Africa. She had no idea she just discovered the scientific find of the century. This fish was a coelacanth, thought to be extinct for 66 million years. It's basically a living dinosaur of the sea. These incredible creatures have been around for 400 million years, surviving every mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. What makes them super special? They have muscular fins that work like arms and legs, showing us how fish first learned to walk on land millions of years ago. Coelacanths are the ultimate survivors. They live over 100 years, have babies after being pregnant for 5 whole years, and spend their days floating motionless in deep ocean caves like underwater ghosts. Finding a living coelacanth was like discovering a breathing T-Rex. Sometimes the most amazing discoveries are hiding right under our noses.